I'm today in front of me iPhone SE 2022 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and haptics. Here we got the first section with the vibration. We can enable or disable vibration on ring mode or in silent mode. Just to enable by click once on the switcher and to disable by click once again on the same switcher. Here also the headphone audio settings. We can change that here to reduce the loud sounds by click once on the switcher, and we can manually change it from 85 by default decibels to 100 or to 75 decibels. Also we got here the ringtone and alerts volume panel. We can change it by swipe this wider to the left or to the right side with your finger. And also we got the just volume button control, so we can change the ring and alerts by our volume buttons here on the left side of the device. And just to do that you should enable this switcher, just to click once on the switcher. Here we got the ringtone sounds. We can change the ringtone sound, the message sound, the voicemail, the new mail, the send mail sound, the calendar reminders alerts, and the airdrop sounds. Also on each of the, for example in ringtones we got here the vibration section and settings. We can change here the vibration. And also we got here the keyboard clicks and the lock sounds, so we can also turn off these options or just turn on them by click here once on the switchers and just to enable or disable the system haptics. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our iPhone SE 2022. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.